Hey everybody, it's me RJ. Today, we're gonna fix my brake problem. We're gonna tell you how to diagnose it. So this is the problem I'm having, all right? It may not happen right now, well, we're having an intermittent ABS and brake light come on. And when it does, we're getting sponge. Pedals going closely to the floor. So here's your diagnosis. First thing you wanna do when it starts it, pump it. As you pump it, it builds up pressure. There's a good chance it's your master cylinder. But we have a few more steps. Feel that AC? Feel that AC? Like AC, it's warm out today. So first step you're gonna do to diagnose it, you're gonna have someone sit in here, pump the brakes, hold it down, and you're gonna start at the rear right passenger side. And you're gonna take probably a 10 millimeter, mine's a 10 millimeter, yours could be something else. Sorry guys, I had a burpee. Brake bleeder screw. As they hold it, you have to talk to them. You have to have two people. Say, okay, got it. They say yes. You release it. Brake fluid shoots out. You can get the little brake fluid bottle, bleeder screw to collect the fluid if you're worried. I've never done that, but yes, you can because brake fluid can be corrosive. I usually just hose the stuff off after. Okay? You get it and it goes and then squirts. Okay. Seal it. Then tell them okay. Have them let go of the brake pedal. Okay? Back and forth to just fluid. Switch to this tire, same thing. Then go over here. The passenger side, same thing. Same thing on the driver. If you're doing what I'm gonna do, new master cylinder, here's how we know. Here's another diagnosis. You open up this and you pump. And then as you pump and you have them pump, you look around, you can't find any fluid, but this is slightly down a little. Here's what's happening. An internal seal down in here is probably where it's at. It could be right here. I don't know. Or it could be here. Is broken. So sometimes it's letting the fluid through. It's supposed to pump it and go into these. But it's letting it through into your booster. You want to fix it as soon as you can, because if you fill your booster up with brake fluid, they'll destroy it and you get a brake booster and they cost more. This was how much? Not very much. I'll put a link in there, okay? So after you put the new one on, you're gonna need to bleed these as well. Air, seal, okay? Could also be this. Sometimes this goes bad right here. Controller. Mine looks okay. Doesn't mean anything. And then here's the sensor. You could also have your wheel sensors going bad for the intermittent light, but mine is, every time it happens, spongy pedal. I'm pretty sure it's this. Is that rust? Is that a whole rust? You see that, or is that just debris? Hold on a second, pause this. Okay, it's just debris, it's just dirty with paint peeling. All right, so 90% sure this is my problem. You're gonna need, well, that's it. That's the diagnosing it, getting to it. You decide it's your master cylinder. You can just immediately try to change it. Like I said, go and bleed your brakes first. It's simple. Get some fluid, get it out, do it. That could be your entire problem. It could be air in the line. Like, how did air lag get in the line? Sometimes if your brakes, the fluid boils, you can get air in the line. It turns into gas. It's not supposed to, but it can happen under heavy load. Other things can cause that. Or you adjusted your caliper something somewhere, or something somehow, and caused air to get in the line. But just never doing it, brake fluid can boil and cause air in the line. So we're gonna go on to the next step, all right? This is the messy step, and it's the next video. So you have any questions, ask below. I may know it. You might be able, I may not. I could try to find out, we'll see. But there you go. We've already done the diagnosing. I didn't video that for you because I did a few days ago. It's my master cylinder, 90% sure. So there we go. As always, I'm RJ. Season day each and every day. Please like, subscribe. Every little bit helps right now. I'm gonna put some wrenches, which you'll need for this job, into the description below. I also have my master cylinder, so commission's earned. Okay, help me out. I might make like 10 cents or 20 cents off you buying it that way. And it's the same one I used. All right. As always, I'm RJ. Season day each and every day. Bye bye.